Engineered Elegance by JewelHubcouk. Series 3 of 5, The Architecture of Rings. Welcome to Series 3 of the Ring Style series by JewelHub UK, a journey into the architecture of rings, where structure becomes beauty and engineering becomes art. With over 800 ring designs and a collection expanding into the thousands, jewelhubcouk offers one of the most diverse structural ring selections available today. This chapter explores rings defined not by motif or subculture, but by how they're built, the mechanics, the form, the construction. We begin with open band rings, recognizable by their gentle front gap. Adjustable, modern, and versatile, they offer a clean silhouette with a flexible fit. From there, the metal begins to move. Wrap rings coil around the finger in smooth, flowing lines, creating a sense of motion frozen in time. Their curves feel organic, yet intentional. Next come twisted rings, where intertwined strands of metal create a braided, rope-like rhythm. These designs feel both delicate and strong, like tension held in perfect balance. The shapes soften into wavy rings, inspired by ripples, tides, and natural movement. Their gentle curves create a calming, fluid aesthetic. We rise into the rounded volume of dome rings, bold silhouettes with elevated tops. Smooth, sculptural, and full of presence, they make a statement without needing detail. Then the layers build. Layered rings stack multiple forms into one piece, while multi-band rings connect several bands into a single structure, architectural, dimensional, and visually striking. The geometry shifts with bypass rings, where the ends curve past each other instead of meeting. This creates a dynamic, open shape that feels modern and expressive. Crisscross rings follow, forming overlapping X-shaped structures that add depth and movement. We continue into the woven world of braided and rope rings, where strands twist, loop, and interlace. These designs feel crafted, tactile, and timeless. Then come coil rings, spiraling around the finger in continuous loops, bold, sculptural, and full of energy. Finally, we explore hammered, brushed, and textured rings. Each surface tells a story: hand-worked dimples, satin finishes, grooves, ridges, and patterns that catch the light in unexpected ways. Across all these structural styles, JewelHub UK offers true material diversity, from 14K and 18K gold to 925, sterling silver, stainless steel, copper, zinc alloy, and iron. This flexibility allows every design to exist in multiple forms for different aesthetics and budgets. And as always, every ring size is clearly listed on jewelhub.co.uk. Take a moment to read the size guide before choosing your design. This is the architecture of rings, where structure becomes style and engineering becomes elegance, by jewelhub.co.uk.